Now, what you have on the board is the chart, the table of English consonants. We have 24 consonants on the table. Let's take the first one, the first table. If you look at it, at this point, we still have the lines running through to tell you that it ought to run to the end with some other labeling at the top running through. But the space is not there, so we're going to see those ones later. That is the point. Now, if you look at this, on this side, we have the classification by manner of articulation. In what manner are the sounds articulated? That is what you have here. Then we have on top as the place of articulation. At what point is a sound articulated? Then on each box we have where you have voiceless and voiced. The voiceless sound stays on the left, while the voiced stays on the right, so that we can say, if I want to call the name of this one, it's simply a bilabial, the voiceless bilabial plosive. That is the name. No other consonant can have that name in the English language. If I want to talk about this, I'll say the voiced labiodental fricative. No other consonant can have this name, voiced labiodental fricative. But its counterpart, the name of the one here is very close, like saying siblings, for example, because it's just one item that differentiates this from this. That means the manner of articulating it, of articulating is the same in the articulation of v. The place of articulation of is the same with v. The only difference is whether the vocal cords are vibrated or not. For this one, which is voiceless, the vocal cords are not vibrated, but for the vocal cords are vibrated. So we have this as voiceless labiodental fricative, and then this is voiced labiodental fricative. So that is what that is how we'll label consonants. And I told you earlier that they have names. So let's run through the same one. We're running through this. For the plosives, let's run through this way. So since we have other parts that way, let's run through. For bilabials, we are going to have 4 bilabials. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning that lips come together. So we have this, we have 4 of them, but 2 of these are the manner of articulating them is makes them plosive, because they explode out. We'll discuss that more later. And then here is the nasal. The manner of articulating is nasal, the air coming through the nasal cavity. And then we'll have this as an approximant that approximates to the vowels that follow them. Okay, the approximants that follow them, okay, or follow this one. Okay, so that is that. Then labiodental, for labiodental, we have 2 of them. We have 2 of them only, and they are fricatives. Then we'll come to dental. We have 2 also, and they are fricative. For alveolars, we have 4 of them, no, 6 of them rather. We have t, d, which are plosives. Then we have the fricatives. These alveolar are fricatives. We have this alveolar is a nasal, and this alveolar is a lateral. Alright, so we have seen the ones on this first sub table. We will take the next sub table, which put together gives you one full table of English consonants.